Oh, you are Canada, Calgary?
Ontario.
Ontario is very beautiful, right?
Very beautiful.
Yes, I'm from Ethiopia.
Can everybody tap my screen? The first gift is doubled. It's automatically doubled.
Reference kita.
It says you added, but we're not friends anymore. Aren't you looking beautiful? Thank you. I did take people off.
You are single, Kubaya.
I am single.
Wow, very good, very good. Baka single it. Yes. I'm single.
You're single too?
Yes. You wanna contact me?
No.
You wanna play love with me?
No.
Why, baby?
Not one bit. I'd rather shave.
I'm smart legend boy.
There's so many things I'd rather do. Like sit on a hot stove. There's like so many things I'd rather do than to do that with you.
Ako blessatin si Fada nang git. At sa Oromo ida.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. How old are you?
45.
4 or 5?
Yep.
Sorry, I'm very 26 years.
Yeah.
Oh, you are very good. Sorry. You have children?
Yeah, I have 14 kids.
4 kids?
14.
40?
As soon as I said that, you disappeared from
We are adult tayo na kaming gilifadan.
What do you mean I disappeared?
Ilman ko da Afrika bet. Ating gabuti ato ko da Afrika gutu. You give birthday every day?
Your account is gone?
You give birthday every day?
Can you see I'm doing something?
Haramagude.
Alright, see if it's there now.
Masyakaga di reference kita da. I say you are very beautiful.
I know. Thank you.
You know.
Look if I'm there now. See if you can see the story I posted.
That the scent would be overpowering. It was the opposite.
What?
I genuinely
I want it a million. Rako beraka.
Dude, I haven't had. I deleted a lot of people.
A lot of people love you.
Yeah, lots of people love me.
Yes.
Look at me.
Because you are very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. You are very double bully akakubba. Biyete kita ma dubba yani na makakita ka dubba.
Serena, what do you see?
You know dubba?
You talk a lot.
No, I'm talking dubba. Dubba means like you are like diamond.
You talk a lot.
No.
Dude, why can't you just message me on, like, in the chat? Whatever you were gonna say, just message in the chat.
No, every people people is.
Or you could message me right now on TikTok, so I can see it now.
Very people is very liar people. No listen people.
You talk a lot, and it's kind of annoying.
No, I'm not liar. I'm not liar. What is liar?
I didn't say you were a liar. I said you're annoying.
I'm talking truthfully. What is you're not trust me? She did us. She talked too much. I'm not.
You were just doing prank call dares. Yeah, it was nothing special. We were just doing prank calls. Typically, we do more fun stuff though.
Alam mo raga
And nobody was really on our sides. Okay, bye. You're annoying.
Ability. To market. You.
Ah,
Please follow me right now.
are you okay? Do you follow me?
Yeah, follow
see
back
you
right
follow
now.
me.
Please, I want you. I search you. You are.
What is that?
Miss, you are lost.
I'm lost.
Yeah, you have been.
I'm not lost. I'm right here.
I'm gonna contact with you. You are.
What is you want to contact with me? Why? Do you want to talk about something? We can talk.
Because love you. You are very beautiful. Your smile is shine.
What's
You are
that?
perfect.
When
You have my everything.
You're everything. You don't know me, but thank you for the
Please.
compliment.
Last time I say I want to marry you. You are yes. You say yes.
I said yes.
Yes.
I married too many times.
Wow. Tuntate git. Tuntate.
Bier na navet. Oj, Lord.
Ja.
Svenska ska gå med uppspel. Låter så fattat. Amen. Zaman. Ja. So you have no wife. How many wives you have?
خدت قارم خدت يا شغرتي خدت التاسات
Huh?
فبربيتها
How many wives you have? Yo, I love you.
أبابو صديقاش.
How many wives you have?
No, I'm single.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
I keep on.
Like moon.
Are you
Like
rich man?
sunshine.
Are you rich man? I like bosses. Are you boss?
You are boss lady?
No. Are you boss man?
Yes, I'm boss. I'm
Okay.
boss. I'm rich. I'm nigga. Wow.
Qa të perde nuk po kallzojnë që i rich, po hajt, me rëndësi pjesëmarrja. Yeah, okay, well you have to pay the dowry. I can't marry you until you pay the dowry.
ما يجيب قلت دفع خطبة. يخاف التير. والله بجد. ميجو أتكلم وني تاني.
Huh?
تانيات.
Examine. Where are you from?
I'm from Ethiopia.
Oh, beautiful. What time is it in Ethiopia now?
Ethiopia is very beautiful culture and.
What time? What time is it there now? What time? Time.
Oh, time it is. Afana case in time to like 4 o'clock, like.
Morning?
No morning.
Afternoon? Evening?
No afternoon.
Like nighttime, 4 in the morning.
Yes, it's like PM. Yes, PM.
Why you not sleeping? Why you not sleeping?
Because I miss you. Nama ko bakit? Wala ko lagi.
Zamra, me mor me mjell bon.
Where is my gift? Where is Foroke? Namne ka Foroke injiruga. Why na si?
How many girls you say this to?
Like to.
Yeah, go. I can only imagine. How many girlfriends you have?
No. I'm single.
Erdolin, skimi, falimdir.
No, please trust me.
I don't trust no man. I don't trust the man. No, I don't trust nobody.
Please trust me.
Don't cry, Habibi. Don't cry. Huh?
Tuma is the only woman is liar. Very liar.
Zamra.
Wow, I love your smile. Wow.
Gjelle ve u dashuru loçka, çam ti u bomër vlla, sens gona pasha zot. Tani jo linda valla që është peda vetëm, po këmës me dosh vetëm që shpëndojnë.
Oh. You have boyfriend?
I have a lot of boyfriend.
What is people?
Short.
Faranjii qofalchiisaa jirra baran.
Did I hurt your heart?
Oromoon nama qofaltu akka laafutti itti muddii irra marsii gogombisii malee isinuma wayi.
Dat is goed om schroen die hem. Ze dan diet en dat is stallen.
Linditta,
Yes.
you are so beautiful.
Thank you. You are too.
Wow. With you, touch.
Lotska. It's good to see you.
Please play love with me.
One more time? Okay, one more time and I have to go.
Okay. Your boyfriend is wait you?
Kom rimmet, vad säger din mir? Ha?
Your boyfriend is want you?
Ha? My boyfriend? Which one? Because I have so many.
Too much?
Too
You have
many.
too much? Okay, added me.
See? One is right here. One is right here in the piano.
Okay, added me. Okay, added me. Added me.
To add you, why? I followed you.
Nibonti.
Yeah, I follow you. Jag lëndova zemrën, e tash kom shumë dashur.
Okay.
Gina. Are you hurt? Did I hurt your heart? Thank you so much.
Where is my forroke? Where is my guitar?
No, are you okay, Habibi?
Habibi, ya hilwa, ya hilwa.
Huh?
You know hilwa?
I don't know. What is Hilwa? Erdogan? Thank you.
This woman is Arab.
Me? I'm Albanian.
Yeah. Oh, Albania. Oh, Albanian woman is very sweet.
Of course we are. We're the best.
Wow, I'm gonna taste, please.
You want a taste? Everybody wants a taste. It's a privilege to have a taste of this.
Oh, I'm gonna taste. Play love with you. Albania is very beautiful.
I know you want to taste. Well, I want to go to Mars.
Ababo sa didar ba gidume o sumagenno?
Erdogan, thank you guys. We need some more roses.
Oh, Albania woman is like this.
Ja, go.
Beautiful.
Babën e kom shqiptare dhe vllazën e kom shqiptar, kështu që nuk ka me mashkull shqiptar, ama
Ida jarrab ni babri.
një gjë e kanë mashkull shqiptar që mendojnë që kanë autoritet mbi gratë, mbi femnat. Që kjo nuk e ka.
Albania people is mixed.
I am mixed because my great grandma was Turkish, so I'm a little Turkish too. So I'm a little bit mixed. Not everybody's mixed.
Oh.
I have a little mix, yes.
Yes, every Albanian is mixed. Yeah, is fine.
No, not all Albanians. No. I am mixed
Oh,
because I have Turkish blood too.
wow. Homeshta, wallahi. Wow.
Yeah.
Salata ma asha qurur makan ka biyetani lufte.
They are impossible. Do me thënë, nuk pajtona me mashkujt shqiptar, veç për një gjatë që mendoj se kanë shumë autoritet mbi gratë.
My people is coming.
Gratë tyne, gratë e veta, do me thënë, e di që e kena amazing. I love our women.
Where have you been?
You're shumë territorial. No, çdo mashkull që
Amber
dën
gizu kan jail war kuna kunuf tubehe ver.
është territorial, ama duhesh me ditë
My family.
linjën deri ku mundesh me shku. Nuk duhesh me
Lindita, you are-
pjesën
you are small, you are
territoriale,
small.
shtin tani njëri me tu largu. Emocionalisht, shpirtnisht.
Feriza ko thank you
Me
my
trafo.
family.
Do të thonë kur më
Lindita.
limiton ton kohës, atëherë unë nuk rina free, nuk jam e lirë me ekzistua dhe unë kam drejt
Bigo sa tedale.
prej lindjes me pas lirinë e funksionit
Bagana kana jibal.
e jetesës.
Bag.
Nuk mundesh ti me ma tregu
Linda?
ku s'më me shku. Yes,
Every people is comment is Lindita is a short girl. Not
do you like
She's
tall
not
girls?
tall.
You like tall
Yeah.
girls? You know,
Yeah.
Diamond is small. Diamond is small, but it's very, very rich.
well, I'm gonna see you please stand up.
Do you want to see me? Okay, well, I need to see a lion. You gotta send a lion. Somebody has to send a lion. Why I stand up for you?
What?
I'm not auditioning to be your girlfriend. I'm not auditioning, so why am I standing up?
Oh, your body is he is very expensive.
I'm not a prostitute.
Malam kana mata jabat. I know you don't love me. I know.
I don't know you.
Because you love me, stand up. I see you.
I don't care to stand up to impress you. I'm not trying to impress you.
Dan tatit. Humaro Congo.
You are right. I don't love you because I don't know you.
No problem. One day you are love me. One day you'll love
One
me.
day. Yeah, maybe next
Yes.
life. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Have a great one.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Gaaf tokko na fit bye bye. Gaafa na feetu dhufa. Inshallah. One day I am rich. I am very